Hi there, we're really excited to share this update with you, as we've just released a huge update to Streem Connect. Streem Analyse is a brand new tool that will allow you to build complex reports in just a few minutes. As you can see, there is more to come from Streem Analyse, but today, we're thrilled to release the first stage, supplier analysis. Let's click Get Started and take a look at what it can do. This is where we can manage, create, and edit our Analyze reports. Let's build a new report. Click the Create New Report button, and then select the bank, the account, and select a date range for the report. When you are ready, you can click the Build Report button. The report will then go into the build queue. It may take a few minutes to build the report, depending on how many transactions there are to analyze. You can leave at this stage, if you need to, and come back when the report is ready. Streem will send you an email to let you know it's done. However, most reports complete quite quickly. Once the report is ready, we can click the Edit button to start working. Here you can see the software has automatically grouped the transactions. Many of them have been recognized by the software and allocated a supplier. We can now start manually adding suppliers to any transaction groups. There are a couple of ways we can do this. To make things easier, we have added this copy button. When clicked, it will put the group name into the supplier box. If the software recognizes this name, it will become available to select. If it does not recognize it, we can choose to add the name as a payee or a supplier. Adding a payee means that the name will become available for this customer's reports in the future. Adding a supplier means the name will become available for all your customers' reports. So the more reports you do, the less work you will have to do in the future, as the software will learn about the transactions as you group and name them. If we want to check what transactions the software has put into a group, we can simply click the group name to open it up. Here we can choose to manually change the supplier name of individual transactions if we wish to. To close it, simply press the group name again. You will notice there are two tabs here. Transactions have been split into expenditure and revenue. You can do this same process on both tabs at your leisure. The report automatically saves as you go, so there is no need to press a save button or worry if your browser gets closed. Once you are ready, you can click the Validate Report button to export this as an Excel report. The software will let you know if you still have transactions to match, but you can export the data at any time. Once you click Export, the report will go into your Exports tab and start building. This again can take a few minutes if there are a large number of transactions. Once the report is ready, we will email to let you know. Let's open this one up and take a look. The report contains 4 sheets. The first gives you an overview of the data in the report. The second sheet contains a full bank statement for the date period, including end-of-day balance and transaction categories. The third sheet contains all our revenue transaction groups. We can expand each one of these groups out to see the transactions underneath. Then if we click the See Source button, the sheet will jump back to the bank statement sheet and highlight the transaction there. The exact same thing can be done on the expenditure sheet. This report can then be used to code these suppliers to the relevant coding on your tax return. We will soon be adding the ability for you to do this coding directly in the software. The report is a great way to see what a customer's income and outgoings are. This can then be used for money laundering checks, budgeting, insolvency checks, broker checks, finance applications, and much more. Currently, this software is still in beta, so there might be a few bugs. We need your help to improve this. Please give us as much feedback as you can. Let us know if you find any bugs, and also let us know what else you'd like to see from this software in the future.